If you are a student who's considering legal scholarship at Northwestern or otherwise, know that this is a space where you are needed. And the need is urgent because there are critical issues being considered in this country and across the world where your perspective and voice is going to be so valuable in shaping the outcome of those decisions. The people that are most impacted by the law, for example, people of color, women, members of the LGBTQ community, people with disabilities, immigrants, aren't part of the conversation. They're simply subjects of the conversation. And one of my goals as editor-in-chief of the Law Review is to broaden that dialogue, to broaden that conversation, to include those voices. Because only by having those perspectives are we able to shape and drive the law to create more equitable outcomes for those that are most impacted by it. At its core, law review and legal scholarship is about dialogue. It's about creating this conversation between authors and between readers and between other legal professionals so that we can critically re-examine our existing understanding of the law and how it's being applied today. There's this concept that law is only made in the courtroom, and that's not the case. Law is made by these pieces and by this dialogue that we're having. When I think about what it means to me to be the first Black editor-in-chief of the Northwestern University Law Review, it's both an honor and an opportunity. The Law Review was initially established in 1906, and that comes with it a responsibility to continue the Law Review's tradition of excellence in legal scholarship. I recognize that for me to even be sitting in this chair represents the culmination of so much struggle and so much perseverance for so many other Black attorneys that came before me. The success of my time on the Northwestern University Law Review won't just be measured by the articles that we publish or the number of pages, the number of citations, but by the doors I'm able to open for those that come after me. Because if we can create that robust dialogue, that robust marketplace of ideas, that's how we start to affect that meaningful change. That's how we start bringing in these voices so we can really critically re-examine how the law is functioning today and how we can improve it so it functions in a more equitable manner moving forward.